Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see the part 2 of Razorpay integration, like that is Razorpay payment gateway integration in our Laravel 10. Okay, so here we are seeing, as you know guys, if you have seen my first part, okay, in that I told why we are doing this Razorpay payment controller, what is the use of backend, why we're using database and all. Okay, suppose if you have not seen that link, I will give in I button guys. Just watch that video because that is our first part, guys. So in this two part guys, you will learn lots of things I'm telling guys, and you will easily integrate Razorpay payment gateway in your application. Okay, so whatever the website it is, you can implement guys, and even you will have all the data of transaction and all everything data you will be having in your database. Okay, that we are seeing. Okay, so today we'll start the part 2. So last session what we have done guys, we have created here order. Okay, that is create order. So this is the code guys, where we're giving a JSON response. We are providing the JSON response here, that is return response, where we are fetching order id, amount, key, name, email, that we are returning guys. Okay, in JSON format. Fine. So what I will do guys, first we'll create now blade file. Okay, for this what blade file I'm going to use, that we will see guys first. Okay, so for that what we need to do, see guys, here I will not cover the previous part. Okay, so that you can see in part 1 guys. Otherwise what will happen if I tell that again now, so time will go guys. So I'm telling, otherwise I don't have any problem to tell, but simply time will go. So I'm telling, in that I have told all the things very clearly. So watch that video guys. Okay, uh, in short I will finish that. In that video we have created this create order, then payment. Okay, this database we have created, that is model payment.php, then how to connect the database, and that by using .env file and php madam, everything I told guys. So I'm telling guys, just watch that video. Okay, fine. So what I will do guys now, just I will go in my resource file, and here I will create one blade file guys. Okay, so in Laravel we create blade file here only. So what I will do, I will create one file, and I'll give the name like Razorpay. Otherwise we'll give payment only. Okay, so payment dot blade.php. Okay, so this is my blade file name guys, that is payment.blade.php. Okay, so here I will take the html5 guys. Okay, so here I got that. Then what I will do, first I will finish my header part. So what I required in header part, that I will add first. So here meta is already there, then document here, title will change guys, will take here payment, or Razorpay payment will take. Okay, so here it is Razorpay payment, and here I'm not designed like nice UI and all. You can design guys UI. See, for designing UI and all, uh, it is not that much important guys for backend people, I'm telling, because designing UI you can get any code from Google and all. You can design your input field very easily guys. Okay, so what is the backend part, that is very important guys. So here I'm not designing any input fields, so simple input field I'm taking guys. Okay, so you can design that guys. You can take your time and design nicely. Okay, so then what we need to take a script for Razorpay also. So for that script will take here. So it is src. Okay, so that is the checkout.js guys, it will be. So I'll type that here, or you will get online also, that also you can use. But now I'm doing everything by typing only. So what I am doing is I'll type only. Okay, so here there will be a checkout dot razorpay.com. Okay, then next here v1 will come, here checkout.js, then here a script will get complete. What is happening here? Okay, so this is the checkout page guys, which is very important for Razorpay. Suppose if I integrate Razorpay, then for that this checkout page is important guys. Okay, so you need to mention this, and this is done guys. Then next what we will do guys, we need a jQuery also. So you can go guys in Google and you can check for jQuery. jQuery. Okay, CDN, you can go here, and 3.6 point, we'll check here it is for 3.7 is there. Okay, we'll open and check. This we don't want, guys. Minified will check. Okay, this we can use 3.7. Okay, so what I will do is just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is my script. Oh, oh. Okay, so this I'll remove, guys. I don't want this all things. Okay, so here is my jQuery, guys. That is http code jQuery.com. Okay, so here I'll take, guys, 3.6.0. Okay, fine. So this is done, guys. Then next we want CSF token, guys, for security purpose. So that will, because we are going to use that in our code, guys. So I'm taking here, that is meta, and here the name will come, that will be, oh, hmm, CSRF token I'm taking, guys, here, and here my content will come. So here it will be like, I think, guys, what is CSRF. This we use for our security to create tokens and all we use, guys, and which is very important if you're using any forms and all. For that, this is very important, guys, so you need to use this. Okay, so we have taken in CSRF. Then here is my jQuery. Okay, then what I will do, guys, here I will create one form. So for form you can use like this, and action will write later, guys. I think no need of action, we are using here IDs. Okay, so here I'll take input fields. So this is my first input. So what I will do, guys, I will just copy this input field. Okay, so I want, guys, what is there, name is there, email is there, contact is there, amount is there. Okay, so four fields are there. For four field I'm taking this. Then here the name will come, guys. Here we are playing with our IDs, so I am taking here ID. So try to take same ID only, guys. Whatever the name is there related to that, then name we are taking here. So name, and here we can add our placeholder. So placeholder will be name only, or you can take, guys, enter name also. I'm taking only name, and here we will add required. Okay, so these all things are required, guys. Okay, done. Then next what I will do, guys, just I will copy this and I'll paste it here. By doing this, what I'm doing is I'm saving time. Okay, so for that you can type also, fine, because my typing is bit slow, guys. So what will happen, it will consume more time. So here is my email. Okay, and this is my email. Then here I'm taking contact. Okay, then here is also contact, and here is also contact. Okay, then here after contact my amount will come. So amount, here you can add enter amount also, guys. Here, okay, I'm adding simply amount. So okay, this is done, guys. Now we need to change type also. So no, name will keep text only, so this will change, will make this as email, and contact also text will keep, and this will change, amount will change with number. Okay, fine. Next what we are doing is we are using one button also for submitting. So I'll take here button. So the type will be button only. Okay, so type will be button. What is happening, guys, here? Okay, so here it is button, and ideal, so I'm going to use, but later I'll add that, guys. So here it is pay now. Okay, so this is done, guys. So we'll see our form. So for that, what I will do, I'll go in my web.root, in web.php. So here I need to check, guys, whether my form is means how it is. I'm not seeing look and all, but it is working or not, that will check. Okay, so I'm taking here root, and we are seeing means it should be in get format. So I'm typing here get, and this will be payment. Okay, it is payment, guys. Then what I'll do is I'll take here function. Okay, and here I'm returning this view. Okay, so return view, which is payment. Okay, so I'm returning this, my payment view. You can use by using controller, so you can do this, but right now I'm using here directly. I'm returning to my view page. Okay, so when I type this in my browser, this file will get view, that is payment. This, not this, sorry, this one, payment dot blade dot page. Okay, so I'll go in browser now. So here if I type localhost and my file name is what, guys? It is razorpay underscore laravel. So localhost, then razorpay underscore la underscore laravel. Okay, forward slash payment. Okay, it is giving me 404 not from localhost razorpay underscore laravel. Let me check this. Okay, guys, see, I forgot one thing here. Okay, so here it is telling because I have not started only, guys. So how it will work? So I have to do PHP artisan. So see, I have not done, and I'm just checking there. So it is giving error me, guys. Okay, okay. So here it is running on this board, guys. So instead of that, I have taken here, guys, localhost. So we'll see, guys, whether it will work or not. So this I have to. Okay, we'll check. It will not work, guys, I think. Okay, so what I will do, guys, here I'll take my root. Okay, and then next payment. So now it is loading. Okay, you can see, guys, it is working. So here is my name, email, contact, and amount is there, guys. Okay, so we'll take later, guys, some padding and on, when we'll take that to down. But right now it is means my form is visible, guys. Whatever I have given, that it is visible. Okay, so on this payment, means on this route, it is working now. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, so now again we'll go. So further things we have to do, guys. Here what I'll do, guys, I'll give here one heading. Okay, so what I will do, make payment. Okay, go and check, refresh it. So here it is, make payment. Okay, it is fine. There is top padding also now, so no problem, guys. Okay, so done. So this is done, guys. So what I'll do, guys, now I will create here one ID which I needed. So for button, I'll create one ID, guys. That will be the ID name. I'll give like pay now. Okay, and here I am not going to use action, guys, here. So here I'll use, so this ID is, guys, for input field. Okay, so it will be like payment form. Okay, so I'm using here two ID for this one, and for this input fields I'm using this ID, guys. Okay, and this is for button. Then next what will happen, guys, after this? So once I'll check this, guys, the working of this. Okay, so it is working fine. So next what we will do, guys, next we'll create script for this. Means what is happening, guys, here? So whatever the name, ID, email, whatever is there now, so guys, that I'm sending here, you can see, guys, here we are taking that, right? So to fetch that, we need to write one script, guys. Okay, so that script we will write now, because when I submit, that will come here, it will create our order ID. So for that, okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll go here, write like script. Okay, so in script what we need to do is, we need to use here, guys, some ajax call and all do here. So it will be like, oh sorry, document dot ready. Here my function will come. Okay, then here first ID will come, guys. That is when I click on button, so what should happen, that I'll write now. So just follow me and do whatever I'm doing, guys. So here is my, I'm taking ID, so I'm using their hash. So hash ID dot click. Then when I click on that, I will call one function. Okay, so that function is this. when I click on that, guys, so what should happen that time? I should get the data of name and all that. So I'm taking here const name and I'm fetching the data. So dollar hash name, guys. So I'm taking from that name. Okay, dot value. It should be, see guys, typing mistake is happening. So take here, guys, round bracket. Okay, so name and here dot value. So what we are doing is we are fetching the value of name, then value of email, value of contact, and that we're storing with in this variable. Okay, so what I will do, just copy this and I'll paste here, guys. So this is my email and this is also email amount. Okay, so here what is happening, color is not getting changed, color function. Okay, sorry guys, here forgot to add this. Okay, so here it is document dot ready function. Okay, I'll give some space so it will look nice. So here is my click function. This is correct. Then name, email, contact. Oh, spelling is C. It is contact. Okay, it's correct. It is contact. Okay, I'm fetching here. Then okay, this is done, guys. This we'll see later. Here it is closing. Here it is closing. Here it is closing. One will remove. Okay, so when I click on this pane now, so I'm fetching this all this data, guys, and after that what I'm doing is I'm here doing one get csf token. Okay, so I will take one get csf token. So I'll give here a command, guys, like get csrf token. Okay, then here what I'll do, just make like this, just give variable name token, and here I'm fetching that from meta. Okay, so meta, in bracket it will be like this, guys. You write like this only, guys, how I'm writing. Okay, so name, it will be, so here we are taking the token from this csr token, guys. Okay, then what we will do, guys, we'll do here one ajax call. Okay, to call, so I'm doing that, guys, here. So take here dot ajax, then here is our url will come, guys. So url, then url later I'll give, guys. Okay, then next what I will do, the type will be, what the type will be, it will be like post, guys. Okay, so make it post, and here whatever the response is coming, the data type will be, guys, it will be in json format, right? So we need to take here json. Then here we'll take headers also. Okay, so here what I'm taking is, here I'm taking xcsr token. Okay, so it will be like this, guys, that is x, then csrf, and this will be token. Okay, so here is token. What we're doing is, here we're including the csrf token in our headers. Okay, so for that, this is what we will do, guys, here. Okay, so here whatever the data I'm getting, that will send to our backend also. That will be name, it will be name. So whatever the name we're taking, that we're sending is to our backend. Okay, so name, then here it will be email. Okay, so here it is email, then here is my contact, then here also my contact, and then here is my amount, and here also amount. See, here we need to write. So what I will do, guys, I'll write here my what I can say, root only. So later that root only we will use, guys. So here it will be right create order. Okay, so here is my create order. So what I'm doing is, here to create order data, what I'm doing, I'm taking this name, email, contact, amount, that I'm sending to my here for backend. That is, here I'm fetching that, I'm sending from there, and here I'm fetching that, and here I'm creating, by using that all I'm creating order ID. Okay, then whatever the data I'm getting, that's name, email, contact, amount, that everything I'm storing in my database guys. Here you can see amount, order ID, status. That time the status will be created. Okay, then that response I'm sending back to my front end. Okay, and guys, so whenever I get response, so that response, how to write guys, to write that response here, we need to take like this guys, that that will be success if the my payment is success, or when I click on button. So that time what we'll do, we'll call this function guys. Okay, so whatever the data I'm getting from here guys, that will be placed in this data. Okay, from that I'm going to fetch my data. So what I'll do guys, now I'm taking this data from backend guys, and here we need to create one checkout page, right? So for that checkout page we need to show the data. So for that, now I'm writing code guys, so it will be like this guys, that is where option, and here it will be, first I'm taking key, so that I'm taking key from my data. Okay, so from this is, so it will be data dot key. Okay, this I'm taking from my backend. Then here is my amount. Okay, I'll follow one only guys. Here I'll give double quotes only, you can follow anything, single quote or double quote. I'm taking double quotes, so I'm following this guys. Okay, so double quote amount, so it will be like this guys, data dot amount. Okay, then means Razorpay ki amount, it will be in paisa guys, not rupee. Okay, then here my currency will come, so currency will be in INR. Then next guys, I'm taking here name, so this will be the company name, you can mention here, so that I'll write like Infisky. Okay, then next I'll take guys, here you can take guys description, you can write here description. Okay, so you can write anything you want, so I am writing here payment for order. Okay, like that I will write. Right now I'm writing here. Okay, then here main thing is guys, order ID I want. Okay, so this is my order ID which I'm taking from my data. Okay, so it will be data dot order underscore ID. Then next what I will do guys, I will handle here response. Okay, here I'll use handler, then here is my function will come, and here I'm taking my response. Okay, okay, now we'll use one ajax call guys to verify our payment whether it is success or failed. Okay, so for that also we need to use here ajax call, so that we will use guys. So here my ajax will come, that is ajax call. First I'll take guys same, here also URL will come, so I'll take first only URL, that later I'll use in my this guys, in my root. Okay, so it will be like this guys, call back. Okay, and here function also will come guys for backend, that also we have to write, I'll write that also. Okay, and here the method type will be post only. Okay guys, so type is post. Then next guys, here data type will come, so data type will be same as it is, it will be JSON. Okay, then next same guys, headers we need to take, so same I'll copy this, copying, and same I'll take here guys. Okay, so this the token we are adding in our header guys. Next what we will do guys, will means data dot, here I'll explain guys, this we are getting response from our Razorpay. Okay, so what I'll do here, Razorpay underscore payment. Okay, payment underscore ID I'll take guys here, and here my response will be like response dot Razorpay underscore id. Okay, so here is my payment id, and here my order id will be there, guys. So here is my Razorpay underscore order underscore id. Then here is my response underscore order underscore id. So what we are doing, guys, here we are calling one function, that is payment callback. Okay, so that function we will see, guys. Now this Razorpay, sorry guys, here it will be, okay, something is wrong here, guys. Here I have to take Razorpay. Okay, before this dot will come, then Razorpay underscore order underscore id. Okay, so this I want, guys, this is my payment callback. Okay, so this I'm taking from my from my response, whatever the response is there, from that response I'm taking this Razorpay id and order id. Okay, so next what I will do, guys, I'll do this function. Okay, so for that I have to go, guys, in my payment controller. Okay, so I'll write here one function. Okay, so here it will be like public function. So I'll write like payment callback. Okay, so here in this what will come, guys, when my payment will get success or it get fails, that I am updating in my database. Okay, so that I'll show you guys with when we do payment now, so how it will work, when it will come to where, that we will see, guys. Okay, so from whatever the here we're fetching that this payment id and order id, that I'm taking, guys, in my this payment callback. Okay, so I'm requesting that, so I will request here first my payment id. So I'll take here my payment. Here I will take my payment id first. Then next what I will do, guys, here I will do like request, guys. Here I'm taking payment id request. So I'm requesting this from my here, guys, that is Razorpay. I'll copy from here, guys, that is Razorpay. Okay, from Razorpay underscore payment underscore id. Okay, so I'll come here, paste it here. Okay, so this I'm taking my id. Then next here I have to take order id. So here it is dollar order id, and oh, I have forgot here to take dollar. Okay, so here it is dollar request, and I have to take here now this Razorpay order id. Okay, so I'm copying this, come here, paste it here. Okay, so this is, guys, I'm taking here payment id and I'm taking here my order id. Okay, that is from, means from response. Now what we will do, guys, we'll check if the payment exists or not. Okay, means already exist or not. So in my table, guys, this what, this way where we are checking, see, here is my payment, that is pay Razorpay. Okay, so if I go in my pay Razorpay, not users payment, sorry, if I come in my payment, so I'll check, guys, whether my order IDs exist or not. Okay, so for that I'm writing here now code. So whatever code I'm writing for that, guys. Okay, so here my dollar payment will come. Okay, guys, I don't know my payment spelling, why it get failed. What I can say wrong. See, okay, so here I'm calling my model, that is payment model. You can see, guys, this I'm calling here. Okay, because here database matter, because we're checking in our database. Okay, so here is my payment. Then where what we are checking is order id we are checking. Okay, so order underscore id comma dollar order id relate codes, and here we are taking first. So guys, what we are doing here, this order id we are taking, okay, from whatever response I'm getting, from that I'm taking this order id here. And whatever the my order id in my, what I can say, in my table, guys, that order id in this order id, whether they are matching, this we will check guys here. So we will consider this payment of this, and in that payment ID only we will update. Okay, so here for that guys it is okay. Then next what we will do guys, here if red is there guys, that same order ID if it is there, then that time what we will do guys, we'll do this guys, we'll take here payment. If payment means if payment is happening, so that time what will guys, we will, by assuming the payment is successful for now, so for that what I will do guys, we'll take here dollar payment, then here payment underscore id will come, and here my dollar payment id will come, means I'm updating this in my table. Okay, then after this what I'll do here payment status, this also I will update guys. Earlier it will be created, now it will become successful. Okay, so here is my payment successful now. Then next what I will do guys, I'll do this payment save. Okay, so here my payment will get saved. Fine. After that what I will do, I'll return here, like I'll return one response. It will be like this guys, and this response we're using guys for to show the payment success and fail in our front end page. Okay, so here my status is there, so it is success. Okay, the here my status success guys. Okay, so failed also I will write here only guys. If my payment is failed, so that time what I will do guys, I'll copy this same thing here. Okay, and I want here payment also. Okay, I'll write here guys. So here it will be like dollar payment, new payment will come. Okay, so here is my new payment, then here is my, okay, here is my payment id. Okay, we need to store here order ID, so it's failed. Okay, so this I'm taking here, my order ID will come. This is my table guys, that is order underscore ID. If my payment get fails, we're storing, we're updating this case order ID, and the status will be like failed. Okay, there will not be any payment ID here, order ID will be there. Okay, then save. Okay, then I'm doing saying, then here also we will return the response guys. So I'll copy this, paste it here, so the response will be failure. Okay, so next what we will do is we'll take this two response to my front end here, and we will show like payment is failed and payment is successful. For that I'll write here guys, now if the success to what we need to do, and we fail what we need to do. So I'm taking here success. If my payment is success, then I'll write like this guys. I'm calling one function, and the function will be like this guys. It will be in windows dot location dot href. Okay, and here I'll call one root guys. That root name I'll right now like this payment success. Okay, so this only will take later while creating roots. Payment, okay, success. And if my payment get failed, that time we'll write like this guys, that is error function. Okay, something. Okay, error function, it will be like this. Okay, error function, and here I'm taking exit out and status, and here is my error. If error is there, it will tell guys what type of error also. So for that we are taking that. Okay, so I'll print error in console as well. So payment verification error. Okay, so here it will be, we'll take that in text guys. Okay, so here we're printing our error, and what we will do, we'll return this for failure. Copy this, come here, paste it here. So windows your location to href, and it will be payment failure. Okay, here if my payment got failed, then what it will do guys, it will give, this is XML guys, it will give the response from server, and status means it will tell whether the response is success or failure guys, and error means it will provide the error in string format guys, that will be the response text. Okay, suppose if any error, anything error is there, then it will show us like this is an error and all like that. Okay, so for that it is guys. Then next what we will do guys, we need to add here some pre-filled data of Razorpay. So for that what I will do, I'll go in my, okay, I'll go in my browser guys, and here I'll type a Razorpay PHP. Okay, so from direct from server we'll take that. So here guys, I'll click on this, that is integrate, because I want here that part guys, so that I'll copy from here directly. So here go in integration, okay, okay, here only I'll get that. So I'll go below. Okay, so here see the checkout page is there, from that I want this guys, so I'll copy this part. Okay, copy it, and I'll come in my code and paste it here guys. Wait just a second guys, okay, after this windows or href, here this will come, will get close, here this will get close. Okay, after this guys, I want this. Okay, okay, to save time I'm doing this. Okay, so we'll change here some part, so I don't want this callback URL and all, so I'll cut this. Okay, so here is my pre-filled data will come, so I'll take in this format guys, then here my name will come, so that also we will fetch. Here I'll take name, so whatever the name is coming, that I'll give directly here guys. So here will name will come, then here email, and here is my contact. Contact. Okay, fine. Okay, so pre-filled data will be name, email, and contact. Then next what I will do guys, here this is my correct guys, that is Razorpay. Here I'll take as one, and new Razorpay options. Option is nothing but this guys, whatever the option is there, that we are taking here. This is to open my checkout page. Okay, and Razorpay one dot open means it will open my checkout page guys here. Then next I'll format this code. First I'll correct everything guys. So extra, I think extra arrow brackets are there guys, because I'm getting here error, so I have to check that. So this is done. This I don't want guys. Then okay, now it is correct guys. So you can see here it is done. So I'll try to format the code. Okay, it is formatted. You can see, so here it is formatted guys, everything is done. So okay, next what I will do guys, I'll go in my web.php, because I have given here root, but I have not created roots for for create order also, and for payment callback also. So for that I have to create here, what I can say guys, roots guys. Here take, we'll create first create order id root guys. So for that we'll take here root, and it will be post means we are creating means the format will be post, and here my root will come, that will be, it is in payment.pledlet create order. Okay, go in web.php, it is create order. Then here my controller will come, so I am using as payment controller. If I go here, here is my payment controller, so I'll take that. Then class, and here I'll call my function. So my function name is what? The function name is create order, so that I'm taking here. Okay, so this is done. Then next same I will copy this guy's controller. Okay, for post this. Okay, the create order, here my order will get created. Next, for payment callback I have to create, guys. So this is my payment callback. I'll come here. Here my payment callback will come, and I'll check the path what I have given, guys, here. So it is okay. This is payment callback. Just copy here, paste it here. Sorry, it is here. Here we are doing payment callback. Then next what we will do, guys, I want to, I have used here as payment success and failure rate, so that I'll write, guys, here. So it will be like root. Get this, I'll copy because I'm going to use like this. Okay, so here it is root, then get, then here first I'll take is payment success. So I'll go here, what I have taken the root for that. So here it is payment success, so copy this, come here, and here is my payment success. Okay, so my when payment gets success, then that time what I will return, guys, here I will return like payment successful. You can write here, guys, one blade file also, and to that blade file you can view that blade file here. You can do that also. Okay, but I'm directly writing, giving one, returning one word, guys. Okay, then here is payment failure. So I'll copy this my path and paste it here, sorry, here. So payment failed, here I'll write payment failed, please try again later, like that will add payment failed, please try again. Okay, so here when my payment gets success I can see this, and when my payment get failed I can see this. Okay, so everything is done, guys. Now we'll try to execute my program. Okay, so here it is running, you can see already I am running my program. Okay, I'll go here, just enter here. I'll open my inspector also, guys, if anything is there, because I don't know whether I'm feeling error should come, so I can show you something in that. Okay, so it is load. I will write here name, guys, then here my email will come, here my contact will come, and here my amount will come. Okay, so this is my table. I'll show you table also. My XAMPP is already started, as you can see. You can see, guys, this is my pay Razorpay. In that pay Razorpay, in that is my payment table. Okay, now I'll try to do a payment. So pay now. Let's see whether it is giving an error. Okay, it is telling me one error, guys. Value. Okay, for value I think I have taken something wrong. I have to check, guys. So here my value is there, right? So that I'll check. Oops, sorry, guys, here it should be val, not value. It should be val. Okay, sorry, guys, I'm really sorry. Okay, so here it is val. Then later once again I'll check, guys. I'll clear this. Okay, val, once again I have to refresh because it is HTML file. So done. Email, mobile number, amount, pay now. So if any error, I can see in this console, guys. So I'm clicking. Okay, the payment page got open, guys. Okay, suppose if I go in my what I can say database, you can see, guys, one payment has been created. You can see, guys, means my create function now it is called, whatever the create function I have. So this function get called, guys. Okay, this function, and this data has been stored. That is name, email, contact. Okay, name, email, contact, amount, order ID, and created. This has been saved. You can see here. but payment ID is not saved because my payment is, I don't know whether it is success or fail, right? Till I have not done payment, just I opened, so it is created like that. Okay, then next what I will do, guys, I'll select one payment method. So I have selected online payment. I'll make here success. Okay, so now we'll see what will happen, guys, whether my payment will get success or fail. That will check. Okay, here it is payment successful, it is telling, but in database I have to check and where it will written. Okay, it is telling me payment successful. Fine. So I'll go in my localhost, guys, and here I'll check. So you can see, guys, here my status is successful, but my payment ID is not stored, right? So something is wrong in my code, so that I have to check. So I'll come here in my code. So in blade file, I have to check, guys, whether I'm sending here proper my payment ID or not. So here is my Razorpay payment ID response. Okay, guys. Here it should be like Razorpay underscore. Here it should be wise payment should come. Razorpay underscore payment underscore ID. Okay, so for that I was getting none, guys. Okay, here payment ID is there. Okay, fine. Everything is done. Return. We're returning this. Okay, then here I'm returning this. Fine. Okay, so everything is correct. Now I'll check, guys. I'll go here. I'll go back. Refresh once again. And amount p, so you can check once again. One more data will store here. You can see, guys, payment is created but it is not successful it. So I'll go in my this, select it, success. So you can see, guys, here I got success. We'll check whether we got payment ID or not. Okay, payment is here. You can design one nice page, guys. Like for example, if you go here, uh, payment success page in HTML. If you check here, if you go in images, you will get some pages. I see, guys, this page is successful like this. You can design there. Right now, I have taken only normal like this. You can design, guys. Okay, fine. Then I will go in database and I'll check, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, now my payment is successful, and even I got my payment ID also because my payment is successful now. So I got here payment ID. Okay, you can see here, guys, I'm paying the 10 rupees, but here it is storing 1,000 rupees. So that we will check now. So we will check, guys. So for that I have to go in my backend, guys, that is in payment controller. So here I have to check the amount. So here I am multiplying with 100. Okay, so it is multiplying and it's taking a 1,000, I think. So, okay, fine. So what we will do, guys, here we'll request the amount. Okay, instead of taking direct amount, we'll take this from dollar request. From dollar request we will take the amount, guys. Then here is amount. Okay, now we'll check, guys, how it will work. So now I'll go here, go back, payments. Here I'll put name, email, contact, amount 10 rupees. Okay, now we'll see whether it will store 10 or 1,000 because I'm requesting now there. Okay, now we'll go. Okay, this payment successful, guys. Now I'll go in my database, refresh it. You can see, guys, now I got 10 rupees. Okay, so because of that, here we were multiplying, right? So it was taking, guys, what, 1,000. So this we're requesting, guys, from request. So here I'm getting in paisa. Okay, so this is done guys. So one more I will show you guys, failed also I'll show how it will work. So we'll go here, go back, and same I'll do 10 rupees only, and I'll try to make this as fail. Okay, what happened? Okay, this is taking bit time. So this bank I'm using. Okay, you can see here the payment has been, it's already has been created, no payment already. Okay, now I'll go here. I think I have clicked two times, so it is showing two entries. Mm, failures. Okay, for failure. Okay, I have done failure, guys. Now I'll go here and I'll check what it will do. Okay, it is still created. I need to fail this manually. So what I'll do? There is no option. Okay, I'll go back. We'll close this first. Okay, I'll close from here. Yes, exit the payment. So now you can see, guys. Here fail will not come. Okay, here fail will not come guys, because we are existing from that payment. But we can see guys, he person has tried to pay the payment but he did not pay the payment, so that we got. And payment failure means, for example guys, if there is a internet issue while paying, while when you click on success, and if there is any internet issue and if something get wrong, that time what will happen guys, that time we'll get here failed, and we will not get payment id also if my payment get failed. So like this what you can do guys, like this you will understand how many clients or customers are paying to us, how much amount they are paying, and how much are successful, how much created, who have tried. Then you can contact with them guys by using this mobile number, right? So like this you can do guys. So I hope guys you got, and guys I have put lots of effort for this video, and for editing also it took lots of time guys. So I'm requesting you guys, please guys, share this video with everyone, and please like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. And guys I hope guys you got how we can create Razorpay, how we can integrate Razorpay payment gateway in a Laravel 10, and you can use this guys in your application, and everything I told guys, your database, everything is clear here. Okay, so I hope guys you got, and only if you're using this knife, it is big application also, it is very useful guys. Okay, anyway you can use this. Okay, so I hope guys you got everything, and if you have any question regarding this, then guys please comment in comment box, and don't forget to watch my first part also, and this is the second part. So watch this video guys full. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and keep supporting guys. Thank you so much.